Leukemia.
Introduction.
All tumors are cancerous.
Select true or false.
Correct. Only malignant tumors which invade other tissues are cancerous. Benign tumors are not cancerous. It is always possible to determine the cause of cancer in an individual patient.
Select true or false.
Correct. It is typically impossible to specify the cause of cancer in an individual patient. However, general causes of cancer are known. Which of the following blood components helps fight infections?
Choose one of the following options. 1.
Platelets.
2.
Red blood cells.
3.
White blood cells. Correct.
In leukemia, which of the following types of blood cells becomes cancerous? Choose one of the following options. 1. Platelets. 2. Red blood cells. 3. White blood cells. Correct. In leukemia, the cancerous cells are white blood cells.
A leukemia risk factor is something that increases a person's chance of having leukemia.
Select true or false. Correct. The following are leukemia risk factors. High-energy radiation, such as atomic radiation seen in survivors of the Hiroshima and Nagasaki bombs. Genetic conditions, such as Down syndrome. Long exposure to chemicals such as benzene.
In acute leukemia, symptoms appear and get worse quickly.
Select true or false.
Correct. Which one of the following is a symptom of leukemia?
Choose one of the following options. 1.
Anemia.
2.
Easy bruising or bleeding.
3.
Frequent infections.
4.
All of the above. Correct. Which one of the following types of leukemia can be cured?
Choose one of the following options. 1.
Acute leukemia, which occurs suddenly.
2.
Chronic leukemia, which progresses gradually. Correct. Many people with acute leukemia can be cured. Which one of the following treatment options is the most common for leukemia patients?
Choose one of the following options. 1.
Chemotherapy.
2.
Radiation therapy.
3.
Bone marrow transplantation. Correct. All leukemia patients have the same side effects from chemotherapy.
Select true or false.
Correct. Each patient reacts differently to treatment and may have different side effects. Anti-cancer drugs affect only cancerous cells.
Select true or false.
Correct. Healthy cells that divide often are likely to be damaged. This includes healthy blood cells, cells in the hair roots, and cells in the digestive tract. This causes side effects such as infection, hair loss, vomiting, nausea, and mouth sores. All side effects of radiation therapy are temporary.
Select true or false.
Correct. Some effects of radiation therapy can be permanent. A bone marrow transplant is usually given alone without chemotherapy.
Select true or false.
Correct. A bone marrow transplantation is usually part of a treatment that includes chemotherapy and radiation therapy.
Thank you for using Explain.